Hi, my name is Nightingale and I'm going to be performing a skill video for colostomy bag. So I have my equipment. I have my glove, my scissors, my mayonnaise paper, skin prep, and my washing towel, and I have my colostomy right here, my colostomy bag. So firstly, I'm going to provide privacy. Hi sir, I'm going to be your nurse for today. Can I confirm your name and date of birth? Alright. Okay, so I'm going to be changing your colostomy bag. Is that okay with you? Okay. So I'm going to wear my I'm going to be changing the colostomy bag. So firstly, I'm going to remove this bag gently. Alright, I'm going to put it in my biozide bag, and I'm going to carefully take this off too and put it in my biozide bag. If it's still clean, I'm going to reuse it. If it's not, I'm just going to put in the biozide bag. So I'm going to wipe the skin. I'm going to check for any skin tissue breakdown, and I'm going to dispose my glove. So after I dispose my glove, I'm going to wear another clean glove, and after I wear another clean glove, I'm going to make sure I clean my stomach. I'm going to make sure I clean my stomach and assess my stomach. If it's bleeding a little bit, that's fine, and if it's red, and which is fine, and I'm going to clean it with warm water and clean the skin around it too with warm water. So I'm going to measure the stomach. So I'm going to make sure it's not too tight on the stomach, and so this is not too tight. Using this would be too big, so this is not too tight. So I'm going to place it and draw with my pen around it, and I'm going to use my scissors to cut it to the right size, and I'm going to apply my skin prep, and I'm going to wait till it dries off, and I'm going to attach that, and I'm going to secure this gently. Alright, and after, I'm going to secure this bag. Alright, and the colostomy bag is good to go. I'm going to trash all my supplies, and I'm going to perform a colostomy, and I'm going to discard my glove, and I'll perform under hygiene, and I will document what I just did. Ma'am, sir, are you comfortable? Do you need anything? Alright, this is your call light. If you need anything, please call us, okay?